To send messages via a hotkey or a button, you need the IDERI Node Hotkey Support. Install this on the computers on which you want to use a hotkey. After it's done installing, click on Finish and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, head to the control panel and choose the IDERI Node Hotkey Support. Here you can now add new hotkeys and manage your already existing hotkeys. If you click on Add Hotkeys, you get different variants of hotkeys. Firstly, you have I want to create a hotkey that creates a new message every time the hotkey is pressed. This will create a new message after pressing the hotkey with the settings you made. I want to create a hotkey that updates an existing message every time the hotkey is pressed. This hotkey is useful if you have recurring events for which you don't want to create a message every time they happen. I want to create a hotkey that cancels an existing message every time the hotkey is pressed. This hotkey is also useful if you have recurring events. If something changes in your plans, you can just press this hotkey and your message will be cancelled. I want to create a hotkey that cancels the last sent or updated hotkey message every time the hotkey is pressed. This hotkey is useful if you accidentally pressed a hotkey that you didn't mean to press. For example, let's configure a hotkey that creates a new message when it's pressed. First, you have to specify the hotkey name. Then you have to give it a description. And lastly, you have to choose a hotkey. Then you click on Next and type in your server name. You can choose your connection type, the message duration, the message start delay, and the message type. Then you have to enter a message text. If you want, you can also add a link to your message. If your server is running in professional mode, you can choose in the tab Addressing between Send Message to Users Only, Send Message to Computers Only, and Send Message to Computers and Users. Now you have to specify the recipients of this message and can also add excludes if you want. Now you can specify the message options. For this example, we will say that the message should be shown in a pop-up window and in the message ticker. Now you're done with creating your hotkey. Click on Finish. If you want to, you can add another message to this hotkey or edit or remove an old one. Click on Apply and then click OK. Now you can press your hotkey and you will see a message that it successfully executed the hotkey. Now you can also see the message in your administrator with the settings you chose.